Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can live chat to everyone on Tango. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tango app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on privacy. Then tap on discoverability. Next you can see the option of live chat. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of everyone, select on it, then tap on save. So this is how you can change who can live chat to everyone on Tango. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.